Now, if I've learned one thing about this engine and these cars I would share with you, it's if you need to get to something, don't be afraid to remove stuff that you're told you need to remove. If a job says put the front into front end service mode, that's probably a good idea. And trust me, you will save a lot more time, even though it feels like a lot more time to take the bumper off and put that in service mode. From having done the timing chain, water pump tensioner twice, stuff like that, where you've got to get good access, there is no substitute for getting good access on this engine. So if a job says front end service mode, just go front end service mode. Seriously, I think you'll actually save yourself time in the long run.